Hey guys, what is up? I'm coming to you today from the bottom corner of this video. So this Thursday, we are having the pre-session of content creators. I'll make this invitation video short, but I will scroll through a few things at the same time. Here we go. So as just mentioned, content creators pre-session, which means before we actually start creating content that you will be creating to be featured in this free course in the Social Media is the New Hollywood School. Whew. I did that without taking a breath. Whew. So the day has come. Time to get out of your comfort zone. I'll go through this quickly. It's kind of a little agenda for Thursday night. And when I say Thursday, I mean Thursday, July 23rd at 9 p.m. Eastern Time. You can register by clicking on the link in the description. To go to the registration page or the button on the page. You should only get this if you are registered to be a content creator in the course. If you're getting this otherwise, it's okay, because the pre-session will not allow people to be featured in the course. The official sessions begin in August. This has previously been discussed in past webinars of mine, more recently. However, we're doing a pre-session mostly to get many of you out of your comfort zone that are featured in the course. And in the course, the homework will be submitted in the Laboom Squad. And from there, we will choose certain videos of yours to feature in the course. That's a little bit all over the place. I really should refer to my notes. So this is the course, Content Creators. Since I got the screen up, I may as well share my screen and read what's on it, right? Featuring some of social media's brightest rising stars as they demonstrate their creative skills by doing what they do best, create valuable content that not only solves some of life's roadblocks, but also shares who they truly are. I'm going to scroll down to show you what that will look like. This is a free course in one of my schools. I'll be driving tons of traffic here. You will be featured in the course if you are a collaborator or a content creator. You see how there's different names here? I just started inputting your names, the content creators. However, as you know, as you should know, there are rules in terms of there are action steps that you must take in order to be featured. So we will go over those on Thursday. In other words, it doesn't matter if you're in the course. When you pay to come into the course, you must create content in order to be featured in the course, and you will have a time limit to create it, and you will have to have it submitted by a certain time. Okay, guys? We're gonna have to move with this. The launch of this course is in August, so we need to start populating it. 4 minutes, really? Already? That's crazy. For an invitation video? Whew. Then I'm going to give some optional homework, okay? So the homework will not be for you to be featured in the course with. This will be as a warm-up to kind of get rid of your video fears. I'll give you some tips for that, and just mostly for practice. So you'll be submitting your homework in the Laboom Squad group, private group, but I will have a reward for the action takers. It'll be a massive exposure reward. So it'll be kind of a little contest for you taking action before we actually start, if you will. Next, I will do my homework live on Thursday as an example, and I think we're good. I will mention Pinterest really very quickly on Thursday because it's undeniable. I believe I'm breaking 300,000 monthly viewers on Pinterest, and I'll make another video on that, like another little video clip for those of you that are not in that opportunity. But that's something that just blew my mind. So it would not be right if I had Thursday's webinar without mentioning some of those tricks or some of the little a little taste of what it is I'm doing to break through that algorithm that I'm pretty sure I'll be able to get over 1 million monthly viewers in a 30-day period. It's my goal. And when I set a goal hard like that, I always hit it. So it'll be pretty exciting to watch. And that's it, guys. I'll go over the schedule. I'll go over the rules of content creators. I'll go through the first optional homework assignment. Optional. I will give you a reward for taking action. Some of you, maybe 5 of you who take action. And I will do my homework live as an example. And there we have it. I'll see you on Thursday. I guess I didn't really need to share my screen much, did I? No, I did not. Just click on a link in the description or click the register button on the registration page. Kind of funny when you don't do videos for about a week. You get a little rusty. Okay, see you then, guys. See you on Thursday.